Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine Marie. I am a self-taught sewist and I make videos all about fashion, beauty, and design. Today, I'm super excited to bring you all another thrift flip video. I have just been loving to make these and I'm so excited to share another one. I've been dreaming of having a asymmetrical top with a neck scarf, and I think I picked up the perfect thrifted piece to make this top with. Here's my inspiration for this top from Pinterest. Again, I'm really going for like an asymmetrical neck scarf look. I'll show you all in the next clips which top I'm going to be using. I picked it up at a Goodwill and I just think it's going to turn out so great. Uh, when I saw this, I was like, yes, absolutely. This super pretty purpley top. Oh my gosh. I feel like there's so much potential for this to be a top, maybe a skirt, maybe even a dress. We'll see. But love this color. Love the pleating. Obsessed with this. I am here to update you on the progress of my top. I'm finishing it today. I got up early, clearly. Still have my little buns in. We have the top cut. I'm actually gonna face it this way. Do we love this? I'm obsessed. Along with the top, because we are going for a asymmetrical top with a neck scarf, I cut the sleeves up in these strips, and my thought is to sew them together, like sew all the strips together to make a sash. And then once I sew it together, I'm gonna attach it to the top, sew the top together, and then it'll be done. We're just kind of freestyling the sash because I don't really know. I mean, I've never done this before, so we'll just freestyle. We'll just see what happens. But I think it's gonna look cute. I have faith. I have faith. You know, it would not be a Charmaine Marie look without some DIY accessories. I saw this cute tutorial on Pinterest. I'll put it up here. They were fabric earrings. So they made little tubes with the fabric and then put it on a pair of earrings. So I'm gonna try that today. So some of this scrap fabric, I'm gonna have to cut up to make tubes of it. And then I'm just gonna slip them on the earring. We're gonna have a cute coordinated look. Earring, top. Do you see the vision? Because I see it. I see it coming together. So let's finish this top. We're gonna make our earrings. And then I'm gonna show you the final look. To my sewing studio, which is in my closet. This is her, this is she. This is one of my favorite places to be in my apartment. Okay, y'all, I finished the neck sash. I don't know if I love the seams on it, but there's nothing I can really do about that. because it's not like I had a whole long piece of it. So, you know, we're just gonna have to live with it. We're gonna attach the sash, sew it together, and then we'll see if I need to take it in or anything. But this is already looking regal. Okay, y'all, I think this fabric is a little thick. My needle is having such a hard time going through it. I'm just gonna hand stitch it on the top because, yeah, I adjusted the tension and maybe I need to adjust the stitches. I don't know. It's just giving me a hard time, so I'm just gonna hand stitch it and then we'll see how it looks. I think it'll do the job. The sash was just a smidge too long, so I cut it, and I think I'm just going to cut this and make the tubes for the earrings. This is the final look. I think I snapped. I do. I mean, you would not think that this was just a regular button up top. Here's the back. And then the sash. I mean, get into the sash, okay? The earrings. Oh, I feel like the earrings turned out so cute. They were so easy to make and just like match so nicely. I feel like purple is like such a beautiful color and like, oh my God, this turned out so nice. I'm so excited to now have a super cute asymmetrical top in my summer wardrobe, like with the matching earrings. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and thank you all so much for 500 subscribers. That was so amazing. I literally woke up and I was like, oh my God, I had 500 subscribers. I think a lot of you saw the last sewing my Pinterest summer wardrobe video, and thank you all so much for loving that video. Like, your feedback and response has just been so great. I'm so grateful. Stay tuned for more thrift flip videos. I am going to do a few more thrift flips for the summer because I need a whole wardrobe. We're not done yet, okay? We're not done. Look forward to the next episode in this series of me sewing my dream Pinterest wardrobe. You can find me on other social media platforms at the Charmaine Marie. I'm on Instagram, TikTok,
obviously here on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I have so many more thrift flips coming, other video series that I have ideas for too. So they're coming. I'm just so excited you all are here. We are going to be on this journey of sewing and fashion, and I'm just so excited. I finally feel like I have a place to share my ideas, and I can't wait to share more of them with you. Thank you all again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.